welcome back to my channel. I have a package here that just arrived. Recently JuJuBe had a sale on their chromatics, and so I went ahead and grabbed some of my favorite styles from JuJuBe in a few new colors. So I thought I would unbox them with you right now and show you what I got. So if you're new around here, my name is Melissa. I am obsessed with diaper bags, makeup, and skincare, and JuJuBe is really a company that thinks about what a mom needs in a bag. And the other thing I really love about them is they make a whole range of accessories that work with their bags. So I got, oh my goodness, look how pretty this color is. So I got a few different things. So that was a fuel cell. This is a B set. This is their pouch trio, and I'll take it out of the plastic in a second. This is their mini BFF, I believe. Yes. And then I got the regular BFF, which is one of my favorite bags, hands down one of my most recommended for first-time moms. So the BFF I got in the olive chromatics color. I do currently have a BFF. I have videos on my channel that I will link in the cards above, but the material is very different on the regular JuJuBe bags versus the chromatics collection. So if I get up close, maybe you can see the chromatics has more of like a woven texture to it, where the normal JuJuBe bags have more of a nylon slippery texture. So I love them both for different reasons, but the chromatics are just soft and swishy, and I really enjoy the zippers on the chromatics bags. They're just super smooth, they're metal toothed, easy to open with one hand, and then look how pretty that light colored lining is with the olive on this bag. So inside you do get a nice cushion change pad, which I never use. You get two backpack straps, which are very nicely cushioned and padded. And then you do get a crossbody strap that comes with a shoulder pad, which honestly I usually take off because I don't like bulky things. But look at the inside of this bag. So one of the top reasons why I recommend this for a first-time mom is because of all the pocketing. And I feel like when you first become a mom, it takes you a second to figure out your packing style. So sometimes we like to pack with pouches, sometimes we don't like pouches. And this bag just has the flexibility to go both ways. So as something you're investing in for your diapering years and potentially beyond, this just fits the ticket where it has enough pockets that if you don't want to use pouches, you don't have to. But if pouches are your jam, like this packs great with pouches too. So I really love this bag. I do not believe that the uses for this bag end with the diapering years, and gosh, I just can't with this lining. You also get two bottle pockets on the sides, and it's just really a great flexible bag option. If you've seen some of my latest videos, I am currently doing a battle of the bags on my channel because we are going to Disney and I need to decide what bag to take for my family of 5. So this is definitely a contender, and so you'll see a packing video of this coming up really soon. But one of my absolute favorite things about the BFF is that you can hang this bag from your stroller and open it like that and see all of your things inside, grab for whatever you need, and it's basically the ultimate stroller organizer. So that is my top reason why it is on my list of bags I have to pack and try for Disney, because when you have 3 kids in a crowded amusement park and you're trying to keep track of everybody and take care of the baby, you just need something that is quick and easy to grab out of. Also for airplanes, same reason. You can set that bag at your feet open and grab whatever you need on that plane for your baby, and it's just amazing. So then the next stuff I got is in the new color called Sea Fog, which is this beautiful purple. Like, if there was a dream purple for me, this would be it. So let me open the mini BFF. I actually purchased this for my camera because I make a lot of content and I don't always want to carry my full leather camera bag that holds all of my gear. Sometimes I just want my camera, a few extra batteries, maybe one extra lens. So I bought this thinking that it would make a really cute camera bag. So in my head, I'll be able to put like spare batteries, maybe some SD cards there. And then in the main compartment, I plan to put my camera body in there. And I think, looking at my camera now filming, I think it's going to fit perfectly. And then you get the strap that you can wear this crossbody, and I'm super excited to see how that works out. Then next I got one of my all-time favorite pieces that JuJuBe makes, which is their B set. It is a set of 3 pouches. You get a large, medium, and small, and you get 2 straps with it. So this is the large piece. They all nest together for storage, which I love. And then inside you have the medium. On this color you have the beautiful rose gold hardware there, and it is gorgeous. Then on the inside you get your 2 straps. So you have a crossbody strap and a wristlet strap. So both this large piece and this medium piece can be used either as a wristlet or crossbody. And then you do get a small piece as well. And there is also a D-ring here if you wanted to use that wristlet strap on there. So super versatile, makes packing your diaper bag super easy if you do love packing with pouches. And the last thing I got here is the fuel cell. And this bag is another, it just is so multifunctional. So it works fantastically as a lunch bag. Each of my kids have one. And we use it not only for lunches, but if we go on road trips, we pack a fuel cell with snacks for each of them. I have 3, and they get what they get. And we just tell them, if you eat through all of your snacks in an hour, then so be it. Or they can space them out throughout the day, and that works really well. It's also big enough that their water bottle fits, and it's compact enough that they can carry it, which is important because it's one less thing for me to carry. But you get a really nice amount of space. It is insulated with 3M Thinsulate material, and I just love this color so much that I had to update mine. So that is everything I got from JuJuBe. I hope you Don't avoid this video, please. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll stick around and subscribe to my channel. Please let me know which bags you would like to see packed up first, and I will see you in my next video. Have a good day.